you for selecting this educational content, and if you wish to see more of that, please consider leaving a like and subscription. Okay, let's start with this challenge lab once. Give me a second. I don't know how you can hear me, but let's just continue. Last time I haven't completed this challenge lab, but today I will try my best to finish it with 100% and get this course badge at the bottom. Okay, so start the lab. Okay, open Google Cloud console but in new incognito window. Now copy the first username and now password. Agree to the Google Cloud Platform terms of servicing. So we start with creating a VPC. Wait a second. Create all resources in the Europe West 4 region. Okay, and Europe West 4 -B zone. Some symbol group standards you should follow. See to that Europe West 4 and Europe West 4 -B. First task is to create development VPC manually. And for that, let me find the Cloud Shell. Let's activate Cloud Shell for that. Continue, hide the navigation menu. Scroll up a little this terminal that is being prepared for us in this moment. Okay, great. The components got loaded. So we start by creating the compute networks. Create Griffin dev VPC --subnet mode, and it has to be custom. Okay, the VPC got created, development VPC. Now let's create the subnet for that. We'll do that by writing the gcloud compute network subnets. Create Griffin dev -wp --network equals Griffin dev VPC, and then we are specifying the region for that, which would be the Europe West 4, and the range, the address range for that would be 192.168.16.0/20. Okay, why have I provided the Griffin 0? It's a crucial mistake. Let me fix that. DevVP network Griffin dev VPC region Europe West 4. Okay, let's try it once again. So we can delete that by writing the command of subnets. Delete Griffin dev VP Griffin 0. Where was this mistake? Griffin 0 dev WP. Yes, I want to delete that one. Yes, also this subnetwork. Now let's wait a second until it's being deleted, and now run this command of creating subnet network for the Griffin dev -WP. Okay, it got accepted. Now let's do the gcloud compute networks subnet create Griffin dev mgmt management network equals Griffin dev VPC region Europe West 4 and range of 192.168.32.0/20. Okay, got created. Now check the progress of the first task. It got accepted. Now let's move on to creating production VPC manually, and it actually would be the same as previously, but we will change the name of that. Instead of dev, we will provide the prod as the acronym. Prod myVPC subnet mode, and the range of 192.168 now 48 0.0 port 20. Okay, again we're creating the subnetwork. Okay, and the last one 0.64 with this shortcut of mgmt, and now we should be good to go. Okay, check the progress. Yeah, great, it got accepted. Now next task, in the next one we will be creating the Bastion host, and for that I have learned that we will use the command of GCloud compute instances create not network but Griffin Bastion, and then we will specify the zone. Specify the zone equals Europe West 4 minus, what is our zone? Europe West 4 minus B. We select the machine type of E2 minus medium, then network minus interface equals network equals networks equals Griffin minus devnet VPC, subnet equals Griffin dev mgmt, and then minus network minus interface equals network equals Griffin minus prod VPC, and subnet equal to Griffin minus prod minus mgmt. Ooh, the error here. Unrecognized argument. Okay, I specified something wrong. Buried it. Is zone machine type medium network here. Network minus interface. And make sure you can SSH to the host. And to be able to provide a SSH connection, we have to set up the firewall rules, and it can be accomplished by writing the following commands: rules create Griffin dev allow SSH Griffin dev VPC minus allow TCP 10.2. And now the same goes for the production instance. Prod allow SSH network, and then Griffin not dev but prod minus VPC, and then minus allow TCP. Okay, when we got that configured, we can check the progress of this task, and now we can move on to creating and actually configuring Cloud SQL instance. And for that we have to actually use the Google Cloud console, not terminal this time. We select the SQL option, dismiss here. Now we press create instance, and we have to select the MySQL, and where is the instance name? So we select the enterprise and development preset. Now for instance info we choose the MySQL 8 as a default database version. Now instance ID would be Griffin -dev -db. In a password, let's write something easy like 123. Make sure that this is our password. Select the zone. In this case it would be Europe West 4, based in Netherlands, and select multiple zones. With this info specified, we can now move on by creating this instance. It might take a little. Okay, so as you can see in the window we have a information that our database is being created, and as it will take some time, we can now move on to the next task of creating Kubernetes cluster.